Good morning, students. Very good morning. Yes, today we shall discuss invertible function. Already we have discussed function, one function, onto function. Yes, one onto means bijection and composition function also. This is the last function, invertible function, most very important topic. This is this most very important concept also. Okay, let it be take f mapping from A to B be a function. Yes. How can we prove invertible? Yes. We are also proving first of all one and onto. One onto means bijection. Yes. First of all we can prove bijective, then automatically f f is a exist for invertible. Or understand? Yes, this is the one method. And second method क्या है? F mapping from A to B be a function, there exist another function G mapping from B to A reverse. F का डोमाइन कोडोमाइन क्या है? A and B. G का क्या है? B to A. So inverse means F का डोमाइन कोडोमाइन, then interchanging domain and codomain. F mapping from A to B a function, then there exists G mapping from B to A be a function such that G circle F is equals to IA and F circle G is equals to IB. F circle G is equals to IB. Then G is called, yes, G is called inverse of F. It is denoted by F inverse. This is the definition. Yes, we can prove G circle F is equals to IA, F circle G is equals to IB. Then G is called inverse of F. Or understand? Here, observe here. For example, F mapping from A to B. Yes, F mapping from A to B. This is A, this is B. Yes, relation from A to B. Understand? Yes. Now there exists G mapping from B to A. This is B, this is A. Then such that what? G circle F is equals to IA. Now here, for example, G circle F, what is the first function? F. Very good. F from A to B. Yes. G from क्या है? B to A. Yes. Very good. Yes or no? You know that how? नीचे से ऊपर G circle F from A to A. From A to A means identity function. From A to A means identity function. IA meaning क्या है? A to A. You can give any element. For example 1, then output क्या है? 1 आएगा. You can give any value 2. For example 2, you can give 2, then output क्या है? 2. Okay, same. That is called IA. A to A is called identity function. Here observe here, F circle G, yes, F circle G. First function क्या है? G. Very good. G mapping from क्या है? B to A. F mapping from क्या है? A to B. Then नीचे से ऊपर F circle G from B to B. F circle G is equals to IB. F circle G, IB. So IA comma IB, B to B, B to B. IA and IB are identity functions. Identity functions. Understand? Very good, very good. Identity functions. Okay, what is the definition of invertible? Yes. F mapping from A to B is said to be invertible if there exists a function g mapping from b to a such that g circle f is equals to ia, f circle g is equals to ib, where ia comma ib are identity functions from a to a and b to b respectively. Okay, this is called invertible function. Now you can solve here one example. Very important example is there. Now here example 23. Example 23. Let f mapping from n to y be a function defined as f of x is equals to 4x plus 3, where y is equals to y belongs to n such that y is equals to 4x plus 3, x belongs to n, so that f is invertible. Find f inverse of f. Yes, inverse of f. Very easy question is there. What is this question? Function क्या है? f mapping from n to y. What is the function? That will be क्या है? Given f mapping from n to y. Yes. Function क्या है? f of x is equals to 4x plus 3. There exist, you can take one function g. Yes. Mapping from क्या हो जाएगा? y to n. Yes or no? Then what is the function g of domain क्या है इधर? y. So g of y is equals to क्या है? g of y is equals to y is equals to 4x plus 3. y is equals to 4x plus 3. Here y is equals to 4x plus 3. Then x is equals to y minus 3 by 4. So x क्या है? g of y is equals to y minus 3 by 4. This is function है ना? Yes or no? g of y is equals to y minus 3 by 4. Understand? Yes. F mapping from n to y, g mapping from y to n. F of x you know 4x plus 3. Then what is the function of g of y? You can, there is just one function है ना? 4x plus 3 is equal, you can take y. Yes or no? Y, we are also proving invertible, then we can prove 1 and onto. Onto function का definition क्या है? f of x is equals to y. So you can take f of x is equals to y. f of x is equals to y is equals to f of x. Yes or no? y is equals to f of x क्या है? 4x plus 3. Then you can solve x, then g of y. First of all, you can solve this g of y. Q, f is invertible, there exists a function g. Okay, g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. Now, what do you have proved here? G circle f of f क्या है? n. ठीक है, जाने दो x. First of all, g circle f of x प्रूव करो. g of f of x. g of f of x क्या है? f of x क्या है? 4x plus 3. आराम से. Okay. Now here g function क्या है? Here g function क्या है? This is g function. Yes. Here y. Bracket y का जगह में क्या करना? ब्रैकेट करना. पहले बताया आपको. -3 by 4. ब्रैकेट में क्या करना है? इधर y है ना, इधर y. So इधर क्या है? 4x plus 3. So 4x plus 3. Okay. Understand? 4x plus 3 minus 3 by 4. 3 क्या है? Cancel. So 4x by 4. That is called x. आ गया ना? x. Next. Identity function आ गया x to x. Next. F circle g. You are also giving input to x. Output क्या आ गया? x आ गया. So g circle f of क्या है? g circle f circle g. f circle g में फर्स्ट फंक्शन क्या है? g का डोमेन क्या है? y. So क्या देना पड़ेगा? y. Yes, y. f of g of y. एफ ऑफ, क्यों इनपुट क्या दे रहे y, सो आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए y आना चाहिए। एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ वाई, एफ ऑफ जी ऑफ वाई क्या है y माइनस 3/4, यस। एफ फंक्शन क्या है अभी, एफ फंक्शन, वेरी गुड, 4 इन ब्रैकेट प्लस 3, here x, here क्या है y माइनस 3/4, 4 4 कैंसिल, y माइनस 3 प्लस 3, सो y, आउटपुट क्या आ गया y आ गया, सो इनपुट y, दोनों आइडेंटिटी फंक्शंस। सो g circle f of x is equals to x, f circle g of y is equals to y, then g is called, then g is the inverse of f. So g क्या है, this is g क्या है, g of y क्या है y minus 3, so y minus 3/4 is equals to g, y minus 3/4 is equals to inverse of f. Inverse of f means f inverse of y, so f inverse of y is equals to y minus 3/4. Are understand? Yes. Now next question, most very important question, CBSE question, very important one, CBSE question. Example 25, most very important. Let f mapping from n to r be a function defined as f of x is equals to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f mapping from n to s, f mapping from n to s, where s is the range of f is invertible, find f inverse. Okay, yes, okay, f is invertible and find the inverse of f, okay. First of all, what do you have to prove here now? First of all, you can prove invertible, yes. First function क्या है, let f mapping from n to r and function क्या है, f of x is equals to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Okay, first of all solve this question. F of x is equals to 4x square plus 12x plus 9 plus 6. This is right or wrong? But yes, right. F of x is equals to 4x square plus 12x plus 9 means this is a plus b whole square 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Understand or not? This is the function f mapping from n to r. There exists one function g mapping from r to n. Yes, r to n. g of y create करेंगे अभी. How? g of y how? Okay, first we can prove the invertible, then first of all we can prove onto means क्या है, f of x is equals to y. f of x क्या है, 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 is equals to y. 2x plus 3 whole square is equals to y minus 6. Okay, 2x plus 3 is equals to root over y minus 6. So x is equals to क्या है, root over y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Yes or no? So what? G of y what? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Understand? Okay, very good. Let the function f of x 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Then there exists another function root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. How it is come here? Yes, very good. We can prove the invertible, then first of all you can prove onto definition क्या, f of x is equals to y, then f of x is equals to y, prove it, then you can find out the value of x. So x, that is called in terms of y, that is function g of y. Now first one, f circle g of x, okay, g of y, and g circle, first of all g circle f of x. Yes, g of f of x, g of f of x क्या है, f of x, yes, 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. अंडरस्टैंड, f of x क्या है, 2x plus 3 whole square डायरेक्ट. g फंक्शन क्या है, g फंक्शन, यस, रूट ओवर वेरिएबल क्या है, y वेरिएबल में क्या करना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट -6 -3/2, ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Understand? Very good. Now here plus 6 minus 6 cancel, square root cancel, yes, square root cancel. So what will become, square root cancel, 2x plus 3 minus 3/2, 2 cancel, yes, sorry 3 cancel. नेक्स्ट 2x/2, 2 कैंसिल, क्या आ गया, x आ गया. इनपुट क्या दिया, x दिया, आउटपुट क्या आ गया, x. दैट इज कॉल्ड आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन. नाउ हियर क्या है, सेकेंड वन, सेकेंड वन क्या है, f सर्किल g ऑफ x, यस. सो f ऑफ g ऑफ x, सॉरी y, g फंक्शन वही है ना, g ऑफ y. f ऑफ g ऑफ y क्या है, g ऑफ y, यू नो, g ऑफ y, यस, रूट ओवर y -6 -3/2, यही है ना, ओके. f ऑफ, ओके, f फंक्शन है ना, f फंक्शन क्या है, f फंक्शन, यस, 2 इन ब्रैकेट प्लस 3 होल स्क्वेयर प्लस, दिस इज f फंक्शन, यस सर, नो. ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, रूट y -6 -3/2, 2 कैंसिल, रूट y -6, यस, -3 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वेयर प्लस 6, ओके, -3 प्लस 3 कैंसिल, अभी स्क्वायर का रूट का कैंसिल, y -6 प्लस 6. नेक्स्ट वन 6 कैंसिल, y, इनपुट क्या दिया, y, आउटपुट क्या आ गया, y. सो आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन, g सर्किल f of x is equals to x, f सर्किल g of y is equals to y, ओके. g सर्किल f of x is equals to x, f circle g of y is equals to y. So g is the inverse of f, okay. g क्या है, g फंक्शन क्या है, g फंक्शन g of y is equals to f inverse of y, okay. Understand, g is the g of y is equal to f inverse of y. So g of y क्या है, g of y already you know, y -6 -3/2 is equal to f inverse of y. This is the f inverse of y. This is very important question, most important, 6 mark question, 6 mark CBSE का क्वेश्चन, ओके.